बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 3 का पार्ट नंबर 2, तो इसके लिए रेडी हो जाए। दिस हैपेंड इवन दो डिमांड वाज फोरकास्ट रीजनेबली and quantities for import and upliftment from local refineries were allocated to all companies at the review meetings between representatives of the industry, relevant agencies and the regulator. Full stop. The oil companies advisory committee, an organization of OMCs and refineries, is reported to have complained to the government that decisions of the product review meetings had been changed unilaterally by some government officials who allegedly had close relatives working in selected companies. Full stop. On the other hand, the state-run Pakistan State Oil has already reported dry out situations in parts of the country and has demanded investigation into the matter and even action against the OMCs that failed to meet their mandatory 21-day stocks cover and instead kept a stock of only 2 to 3 days that dried out immediately after the price change. Full stop. New paragraph. A spokesperson for the petroleum division on Sunday confirmed that high sales of petroleum products had been witnessed on the first 2 days of May due to sizable reductions in the prices of the products for which petrol pumps did not make procurements from the OMCs. Full stop. The spokesperson said that sufficient stocks of petrol and diesel were available to cater to the country's demand for 15 days. Full stop. On the other hand, PSO said these stocks were of no use given that these were mostly at ports and storage and could not immediately sever the market. Full stop. New paragraph. The PSO has written to the government that its oil imports were cancelled by petroleum division officials despite warnings over possible shortages and its timely reports which said a few major OMCs were not uplifting products from local refineries and not maintaining adequate days cover of products, particularly HSD. Despite high sales trend, it should the stock levels of these OMCs kept declining throughout the month of April without any action taken against them, and resultantly, the industry is on verge of HSD dry out in peak harvesting season amid considerably high sales trend due to massive price decrease effective May 1 full stop. New paragraph. The PSO said that due to very low upliftment from other OMCs, particularly of motor gasoline, Parco and NRL went on shutdown, and other refineries also kept running on very low throughput in the month of April. This has caused limited HSD availability from the refineries. The PSO also brought on record that petroleum division not only allowed HSD imports to a few OMCs in the last week of April, but also berthed their vessels in a prompt manner to keep adequate stocks in white oil pipeline and upcountry. However, these OMCs did not make these cargoes available at upcountry, rather offloaded at their Port Qasim terminals, despite critical stocks in WOP, seemingly to exploit the expected PDL increase effective May 1, and earn hefty profits accordingly. New paragraph. Due to these critically low stocks of almost all major OMCs, excluding PSO, they did not operate their depots effectively and curtailed the supplies on May 1, despite the ministry's clear directives on April 29 to operate depots and maintain uninterrupted supplies to the retail outlets. It has been reported that major OMCs holded the product at main supply hubs Mahmood Court, Faisalabad, the PSO said, adding that this resulted in a sudden and huge supply load that was transferred to PSO. Its HSD sales on May 1 was around 34,000 tons, which was not in line with the usual average of 10,000 tons.